11. We are on chapter 11, so I believe there are 22, so we're already halfway done. That's insane. We are now on to chapter 11, Hellbreaker. Let's go. Oh, those gargoyle statues are sick.
Autopilot engaged. System reboot in progress. Adlin online. Manual controls are now active.
Let's go. It's a huge rib cage. Oh. That tower's just insanely strong for some reason. Get over here. Oh, dude, that armor is so cool. Hey. That one could be destroyed. Down. That armor really is so sick. Weave.
Azric Fortress is ahead.
Oh, look at all the little tiny people. Oh, hello, tanks. I love the sound it makes when you punch him. Oh, dang. I can actually take a couple punches. New mega weapon. Oh yeah. Oh. Is this a giant shotgun? Oh. Dude. This thing's cool. This thing's so sick. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that he just completely got obliterated. Oh. Whee. Oh, the full armor set goes so hard. Ah, it's gone already. The mega shotgun is so sick. I know a lot of people complain about these sections in the Atlan, but like they're really fun, and I feel like they're not drawn out too long either. Oh. Oh, that's awesome. That's an awesome place to put it. They look so sick.
The makers have confirmed that Azric's signal is still inside.
Oh. Oh, did I just get a new upgrade? Holy Swarm? What? Everything is just a Dark Souls reference. That's just the... I forgot what the spell is, but that's the exact same as Dark Souls. Oh my gosh. Just summoned 50 daggers. Oh, do I have to... Here, let me activate it real quick. Oh no, it is activated. Maybe it's only a projectile and not like a melee. Yep. Oh, that's cool. Thought there was going to be something down there because it was so big. Oh, we didn't even equip our new shotgun skin. Ho ho ho. What a beauty. Now we're talking. So cool. Oh. That's a sick statue. There are no secrets around here? Huh. I guess not for a sec. Kinda looks like you can go in here though. Eggman! Nice. I almost just fell right into the lava. Just a single dude here. Beep. Bop. Boo. Looks like we gotta use the chain shot to get the mastery skin. Oh, that lava looked like a demon for a second. Yoink. The range you have with the chain shot is insane. The range plus the damage. I need to remember to use the shield bash as a finisher because it also acts as a jumping attack, so it'll do the cool glory kills. While we're already storming the castle. Let me at him. Dude, the coffins being the things that raise and lower the gate are so cool. This place is very nicely decorated. I love what you've done with it. Oh, that's a nice touch. Oh. Is this like a merry-go-round? I like all the gold that's just laying all over the place. Very nice. Alright, there's gotta be a secret. There's gotta be a secret in here, right? Nope. Just a bunch of gold. Whoa.
Our time will come.
It's just a fancy way of saying that you're scared. That's all I'm hearing. Just spamming it is so fun. $500 bonks. Oh, or 2. That also works. Oh. Brought out the big guns. Oh. That upgrade is so overpowered. Bye.
Bishop Creed has called a meeting with me.
Oh,
We need you
that's
at the
cool.
command station. Opening a portal now.
Well, that was a pretty quick chapter. It was pretty fun, though. I love all the toys. They're so awesome. If you couldn't tell. Well, I guess that will do it for that video. It was a little short, but sweet. That giant shotgun was sick. I want more of that. And the Atlan missions are super fun. Like, there was just the first one, introduce the Atlan, and you just gotta destroy a bunch of buildings and punch a bunch of demons. And then this one, it was like, punch 4 demons and then shoot 10, and then you're back to the being on the ground. So I thought it was pretty sick. Anyway, that'll do it for that video. If you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Put your favorite part in the comments down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay chill, stay safe, and stay happy.